Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia G42 and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. Let's start with opening the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on System Update and be aware that you have to have the internet connection, so connect to the Wi-Fi or use the mobile data, whatever. Here in my case I've got installation paused because I did not want my device to update the system, but let me explain each possible situation you can meet. If you've got everything up to date, if you do not have any kind of downloads pending, your device will of course inform you about that, and you will be able to just go back. If you've got any kind of updates, your device will of course show it to you, will show you any kind of fixes, etc., what will be new in the update, and you will be able to simply tap on download. Your device will of course download the update and apply it. And in my case, I've just paused the installation of the update because accidentally tapped on the download. Alright, so basically this is it, and this is how to check for the software updates in this device. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.